Whatever you conceive in your mind, you start doing those actions. And the actions which we perform, accordingly, we get the result. And which things we are going to conceive in our minds, we are absolutely free. यादृग इच्छेच भवितुम तादृग भवति पुरुषः. महाभारत. The fractional freedom which has been given to the individual soul, God or the spiritual master, they never interfere. Of course, depending on the degree of surrender, the spiritual master undertakes the burden to fight with our bad scars. But the fractional freedom which has been given to us, we are independent to choose our course of actions. Kratu mayoyam purushaha tasmat kratum kurbit. Vedas tell man is completely independent. So, we must start our journey headway. Nashwaha shwa upasit kohi purushasya shwa veda. I'll do it tomorrow. Tomorrow, don't tell it. Do it immediately. Beyond this gross body, there is the subtle body. And beneath the subtle body is the causative body. And bound by the sheath of our causative body lies the soul. The soul imparts its consciousness to the causative body or Karan Sharir. This causative body is an admixture of a fraction of our past actions known as Prarabdha and our independent free will, which is called Purushartha. So the consciousness of our causative body is imparted to the subtle body, and the consciousness of the subtle body is imparted to the gross body. So in the causative body, the Bhav Sharir, or the contemplative body, which we are going to harbor, which we are going to conceptualize, which we are going to conceive during the process of devotion, ultimately that will fetch us our desired goal. So here, the devotee aspires for the highest form of devotion, the most exalted status, Sakhi Bhav. The devotee is not glued to the seva, he is glued to the wishes of Shama Syam. So the devotee tells, Kabe Hari, Kariya Piya Mohi Bhaura Brajamahi. O beloved, make me a black bee in the sacred land of Braja. Dhanyam dharani tatopi madhura tatrapi vrindavanam. The earth is so sublime. And in this earth, Bharatavarsha is the most pristine part of this earth. And in Bharatavarsha, Mathura Mandal is celebrated for its exalted position. And in Mathura Mandal, Vrindavan is the crest swell. So the devotee is aspiring to become a black bee in the sacred land of Braja. People for a promising career, they want to go for education. To a promised land. The skyrocketing progress of China started around 78. An economy which was completely in disarray. They decided education is a must. And they all went to the United States, especially the English-speaking countries of the world. And the prosperity they enjoy now is because of the hard labor they did in the United States during their student days. So the highest form of bliss is there in Braja. So the devotee is aspiring for Braja, the citadel of the highest form of bliss. What the black bee is supposed to do? Guna, 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 gana, gavat, seva, kunja, sirahi. Making the buzzing sounds, guna, guna. I'll sing your glories, the gunas, and spend my entire life in Seva Kunja. Seva Kunj is the place, the beautiful groves in Braja, where Radha Krishna, they release the highest form of bliss, and they shower the highest form of bliss to the close associates. पी पराग बनवाल लाल को हुए मद मत भ्रमाही I'll roam around, intoxicated with pollen from the divine flowers of your Banmala. The divine flowers of your Banmala is so mesmerizing. The pollens of your Banmala, of those flowers, are so intoxicating. I'll roam around and wandering. I'll be immersed in that supreme nectar and bliss. Gunjana karat kunja punjana ham priya manavan jahi. I'll go into the various flowery bowers searching for Manini Kishorichu in order to pacify her when she does man. My job is very special. Your presiding deity, Radharani, to pacify her, I'll work as a messenger for you, and I'll roam around. I'll start a search operation in the flowery bowers, searching for Kishorichu to pacify her for your pleasures. Manini ko sandesha sunawat uro anand na samahi. Hanumanji carried out this unique seva because of his sheer proximity to Lord Ram. The most confidential message which she will be sending, I'll communicate to Kishorichu. When she does, I'll convey her message to her with my heart full of joy at being able to perform such an intimate service. By giving loving service to Kishorichu, Kishorichu will be immensely satisfied, and seeing the immense satisfaction of Kishorichu, you'll be ecstatic. And because of the ecstatic pleasure of Radha Krishna, the whole world, the infinite universe is operating. That is the life force. That is the energizing force. So, always instrumental in playing this pivotal role of giving pleasure to Radha Krishna. I am so fortunate. I am so privileged. I am rendering this intimate service. Lahi kripalu rasa yugala madhuri madira mad borahi. Shri Maharaji says in this way, I'll be able to relish the sweet nectar of divine couples' intimate pastimes of love and remain intoxicated with the sweet wine of divine love.